Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I will be reviewing some faux locks that was sent to me by a company, Weavemasters. And also you guys, I will be showing you guys how I install it. So you don't want to miss this review and this install. So let's just keep on watching.
Yeah, eat a cookie monster. He a slave to this pussy, call me monster. Real wet, I said slurping liquor pasta. You get nervous when it's lucky you on a roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my...
So guys, it comes in your standard Amazon box. When I say it was more than enough hair, I was able to do me and my daughter's head, and plus I didn't want it too full, but it came with like 6 packs of hair along with a crochet needle, which is a plus, along with their card with their information on it, their social media and all that. I have some Marley type of hair. This is by the Janet collection, just to wrap my hair with. But back on these faux locks, you guys, when I say they are very lightweight, and the length of these is 24 inches. This is my braiding pattern. You guys know I recently did the big chop, so I was able to get my little hair in some plaits. So guys, I did most of my hair because there's so many YouTube videos on how to do this particular style. So guys, I took that Janet collection twist hair, and now I'm just going to like wrap it. It's very time consuming, so get you a good movie on, watch some YouTube videos. And yes, I was just sitting at my desk, guys, just catching up on a lot of YouTube videos and all of that while I was doing this. But like I say, it's very easy. The hair is bomb. I really like it. They give you more than enough, like more than enough. Like you don't have to worry about is like if you order hair online, is it gonna really be enough? I'm telling you, sis, it is enough. I believe it was like 20 faux locks in each pack. So sis, do the math. If you don't want them too full. And I must say, me doing it this way is much lighter than me crocheting it in. Like I braid my hair to the scalp and, you know, crocheting it in is so much lighter. And so now guys, I am just taking some nail glue and sealing it at the ends once I finish wrapping it. And guys, that glue can get kind of messy, but just got to be careful how you glue it on there. And so y'all, I was just so ready to get up. I'm not perfect, but like I said, this was my first time doing my full head, and I was getting tired, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. And you guys know, like, my hair is like very fine at the top. I could have made it like a little bit fuller, but I didn't want to put too much tension in the middle of my head because it's so fine in the middle anyway. So y'all, your girl just, you know, left it like that. I still like how it came out. So yeah, I took a lighter just to make some flyaways go away. I didn't have to do that too much because with that hair is bomb. It really works very well. And guys, I took me this avocado mousse. I love it so much. It smells so good. And I just put it all over my head. I also used it for my edges as well, along with some Got To Be, just to get them edges laid, you guys. I didn't do too much of the edge. I didn't leave out too much hair for the edges, but just enough, you guys. So I didn't go crazy with the edges this time. And now you guys, I'm going to wrap it up for a little bit with my edge scarf, and this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, And thanks so much for watching, and all information will be down in the description box. Bye guys.